Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a video that I don't usually make. This Friday, you'll be able to see a video that I'm making for Jesse James Beads on their channel, or I'm sorry, on their Facebook page. But I received the beads that I'm going to be using, and I wanted to go through them with you guys because they're so pretty. So the theme is Let's Be Mermaids for Mermaid. So the first one is Siren. So it's a purple set, and we're gonna go through these. The second one is Coral Queen, pink and coral. And the third one is Splash, which is turquoise. So let me get some bead dishes and we'll go through these. Okay, so I'm so excited. First thing that I'm seeing are these little acrylic mermaid tails. They're so cute. Perfect for earrings, perfect for making a larger pendant. And do they have glitter in them? I can't tell. Let me grab one. They have some kind of very fine pearlescent glittery feel to them. It's not overly, it's not overdone. Overly done? It's not overdone. So I think those are really cute. Don't have anything like that. We have a starfish. This is like a gray black. So cute. Oh my goodness. I didn't see this when I was just kind of looking at them from outside, but we have some really beautiful freshwater pearls, top drilled, in a beautiful gray with an AB nacre on the outside. Oh my goodness. Nacre is that pearlescent, the way it just kind of glows with that pearlescent shine. And then we have some ceramic beads. These are turquoise and like a dark wine color. Love that. 2 pearls. These are a wine color as well. Some glass teardrops. So like sea glass almost. It's definitely matte. These are so cute. They look like little grapes. Another charm, another starfish charm. Then we have 2 shell charms. Oh, these are really pretty. They've got some glitter in them, some greenish glitter. Love those. They're enameled. And then we have 2 more shells. These are gold. So make you a lot of jewelry, a lot of earrings in here. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are little seed beaded loops. These are cool. Is there another one in here? Are there 4 or 3? Oh no, there are 4. I actually made some of these the other day and I didn't know what to do with it, but this is so cute. Little seed beaded loops. Those are great for spacer beads, or you can just hang them off of your necklace, or use them as a jump ring to hang something else off of. Those are so cute. Some check glass purple beads. Love those. Some large hole crystal rondelles with purple crystals. So shiny. So shiny. Some different bead caps. So there's 2. Larger and a smaller. We have some mermaid glow beads. Love that. They look like little glowing orbs. Oh, we have a runner. Some crystal bicones. I think they're black or a really dark purple. I can't really tell, but they have a half like a metallic finish on them, luster. And oh, some more pearls. Awesome. And then this some more frosted glass. These are kind of look like druzy almost, but they're not drusies. They just have that druzy look. I'll put them back in there. And then we have some crystal rondelles. Purple and clear. And then we also have some crystal rondelle spacers. I love these. This is a great kit. You can make necklace, you can make several pairs of earrings, bracelets. I really love that one. Okay, so that was, which one was that one? That was Siren. All right, let's move on to Coral Queen. Okay, so each mix has these little mermaid tails. So if that's something you're really looking forward to, don't worry, no matter what color you get, each mix has them. These are so sweet. And then we have a couple cage beads, actually. Oh, and this one's got a little bead stuck in the cage. Oh, there, it came right out. Oh, and that one's got another bead in there too. Came right out. So there's our cage beads. Very pretty. Still haven't used them for anything other than earrings, but I'm gonna try soon. We have some drops, which I really love. This is a shape that I was going through my drawer, my bead drawers for the other day. I couldn't find any. I'm like, I know I have them. Where are they? So I'm liking this color and this shape. I love the AB on the outside too. We've got a huge starfish. Reminds me of Patrick from SpongeBob, but prettier. So pretty. We've got 2 stone starfish. Actually, we have 4 stone starfish here. So cute. Top drill. Oh, yeah. No, they're not top drilled. I thought they were, but no, it goes vertically through the stone. These are amazing. They're pave rose gold beads. Very pretty. We've got 2 different size of rhinestone ball beads. So we have larger are gold, smaller are rose gold, but they're still so pretty. I mean, I loved the last one, but this one, all the sparklies are making me super happy. We've got a couple of starfish charms in pink and rose gold. We've got 2 shells and a coral with some gold metal and some glitter. 2 big boy crystals, pink. 2 shells in like a pale rose gold, I think. Actually, I can't tell if that's gold or rose gold, but it's still pretty. Some spacers. Neat. And then we've got another style of spacer, again in gold. And then some crystal rondelle spacers in rose gold or bright copper, whichever one you want to call it. And then we've got some pink glass beads. Those look like bubble gum, right? Some more crystal rondelles in pink. Some more of those mermaid beads. I don't know what color this is. I couldn't tell you. I'm looking right at it and I don't know what color it is. They're pretty. I love that flash. Then we have some peachy coral glass beads with a moon go. Oh, are they cat's eye? Maybe they're cat's eye. Fiber optic beads. And then some teeny tiny crystal rondelle spacers. So there are some really great beads in this kit too. This one, so far this one's number 1. The other one was number 2, but I like them both. Again, you can make some really spectacular earrings or any type of jewelry out of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these away and I'll show you Splash. That was Coral Queen. Okay, and I'm back with the last one called Splash. Right away, again, we're seeing these the mermaid tails. Oh, rogue bead in a really cute aqua turquoise color. I love them. Oh, and they've got a gold luster. So cute, so cute. We've got a big shell in this one too, pendant. Turquoise, love that. We've got two little shells. These are more of like a sea green. They again have that glitter. Ooh, some really pretty petal bead caps. These are gorgeous. You can almost use them. Maybe they're mermaid fins or whale tails or something. I don't know. Those are cool. And then we have these glass beads, but they're made to look, they almost look like stone, the way that they're coated. But they kind of look like ocean spray, don't they? Those are really pretty. I thought they were stone at first, but they're coated glass. Very cool. Love those. We have some large crystals. Beautiful. Look how sparkly. We have more of those pave beads, but in a different color. These are in gold. Love those. We have some crackle glass or imitation stone beads. Beautiful color. That looks like the ocean. Oh my goodness. We have two starfish charms. Looks like each mix has your starfish charms. Love that color. And then again, we have the shell charms. So each mix has those too. And oh, we have some little pearls. Little glass pearls. Very cute. Oh, those went flying. Some more of that mermaid glass. So it has the flash in it, and these are in aqua, blue. We have some little cone crystals in like a mint. Those are nice. We have some metal spacers, cylinder, large hole. You can use leather with those. Some more spacers. Again, large hole. Here's some more crystals. Oh my gosh, these are so sparkly, and I haven't seen the shape. I love these. I would love a whole strand of those. Some melon spacers in gold. Two really large bicones. So pretty. I love these colors. And then last but not least, we have several daisy spacers throughout. So as you can probably tell, Splash was my favorite. So kind of in the reverse order of how I opened them. Splash is my favorite. Coral Queen is second, although Coral Queen is a huge competitor for Splash because it had some really cute beads in it. And Siren was my third favorite, but honestly, I love that I would choose any of them if, you know, I was shopping. I love all three of them. So thank you so much for watching. Tell me which color family was your favorite, and then stay tuned. Friday, I'll be on, well, my video will premiere on Jessie James Beads on their Facebook page, and then I'll upload it to my YouTube channel later in the day. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Hi, are you sulking because I won't give you any more belly rubs? I think that's what you're doing. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're a good girl. Yes.